Are you tired of the stress and hassle of moving? Let us take the burden off your shoulders with CBD Mover Full-Service Moving Solutions. What is full-service moving? Full-service moving is a comprehensive solution that covers everything you need to relocate from your old home to your new one. Our team of professional movers will pack, load, transport, and unload your belongings, ensuring a seamless and stress-free experience. Benefits of using full-service movers. Convenience. Sit back and relax while our movers handle every aspect of your move. Peace of mind. Rest assured that your belongings are in the hands of experienced professionals. Time savings. Save yourself from the time-consuming tasks of packing, loading, and unloading. How to prepare for full-service movers. Declutter and remove unwanted items. Pack essential items yourself for easy access. Disassemble furniture to simplify loading. Clearly label boxes with contents and room assignments. Provide clear instructions to our movers. Cost of full-service movers. The cost varies based on factors such as home size, moving distance, and time of year. Contact us today. Visit our website at www.cbdmovers.co.nz
or call 0800555207 to book your full-service move. Thank you for choosing CBD Movers.